Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Taco Bell-style tacos. First, brown 1 pound of ground beef in a skillet over medium heat until fully cooked. Once the beef is browned, carefully drain any excess fat from the pan. Then, add 2/3 cup of water and 1 packet of your favorite taco seasoning mixed to the beef. Stir well to combine everything thoroughly. Bring the beef mixture to a simmer, then reduce the heat and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes, or until most of the liquid has evaporated and the meat is well seasoned. While the meat simmers, warm 12 hard taco shells according to package directions, either in the oven or microwave. This ensures they are crispy and ready for filling. Also, prepare your favorite taco toppings. Now for the fun part, assembly. Take each warm taco shell and spoon in a generous amount of the seasoned ground beef. Next, add a layer of fresh shredded lettuce, followed by a sprinkle of shredded cheddar cheese. Finish your tacos with some diced tomatoes and a dollop of sour cream for that classic Taco Bell taste. Enjoy your delicious homemade tacos. Your homemade Taco Bell-style tacos are now ready to enjoy. Serve them immediately while the shells are still warm and crispy. Feel free to customize your tacos with your favorite hot sauces, salsa, or guacamole to make them uniquely yours. For an easy cleanup after your meal, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this amazing vacuum and other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.